In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline text in Framer. First, open up your project in the Framer editor. You can either create a new project or use an existing one, as long as you can access the canvas and the right side settings panel. Make sure you're in the design view where you can add and edit layers on the canvas. Next, add some text that you want to underline. You can do this by selecting the text tool and clicking anywhere on the canvas, then typing in your text. It could be a heading, a button label, or a short sentence. Don't worry too much about the exact wording right now. We're mainly focusing on the styling. Once your text is on the canvas and selected, look over to the right side of the editor. This is where all the styling options live. You'll see properties like font, size, weight, line height, and spacing. In this same area, you'll also find your text styles, which let you create reusable formatting across your project. Find the section for text styles and click on the option to create a new style. This will let you base your underline on a specific type of text, like a heading or body copy, and then reuse it later with one click. For this example, choose a style such as heading 2. This simply means your underline will be applied to text that uses that heading style, but you can pick any style that matches your design. After selecting the style, click on Edit. This opens up the full set of controls for that text style, so you can customize how it looks. Here, you're editing the style itself, not just one instance of the text. Inside the style settings, look for an option called Decoration. This is where Framer groups things like underline and other line-based text effects. Click on Decoration to open the available choices. You'll see multiple decoration options. Choose the middle option, which is the underline setting. Once you click it, your selected text that uses this style will immediately gain an underline. From now on, any text that uses this style will automatically be underlined as well. And that's it. You've successfully underlined text in Framer by using a text style, which keeps your design consistent and easy to update.